everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the process on how you can easily add money to your Trust wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can use a Trust Wallet account if you'd like to store your crypto assets in a truly decentralized, efficient and secure manner. If you'd like to add funds on your Trust Wallet, then here's how to do it. Simply open up your Trust Wallet application, make sure you've downloaded the application which looks like this over here, and once you have it, tap it open. Make sure to create a wallet for your Trust Wallet account. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and sign up for a new wallet. If you don't know how to do that, then go check our description box. I'll leave a link that will help you on how you can easily sign up or create a wallet on Trust Wallet. Once you have an account and you are logged into it, it will look like this. The main wallet page of Trust Wallet is here on the display. Now, when it comes to add money on your Trust Wallet, there are basically two ways to do that. Either you'll need to receive a crypto from someone else in order to add it on your wallet, or you can also start buying a new crypto. In order to add money on your crypto, what you'll need to do is simply go to the top of the screen right under your wallet and tap on the buy button. Now, from the displayed tokens, select the tokens that you'd like to add or buy. For example, I've selected Bitcoin. Depending on what coin you choose, Trust Wallet will connect you with MoonPay or Simplex exchanges. Type in the amount that you'd like to buy. For example, I'm buying around $100. It will show you the amount of Bitcoin that you can purchase if you spend this much amount of your dollar. Remember that Trust Wallet does not sell any kind of a crypto token, so you'll need to actually buy it from a third-party provider. You can either select MoonPay, Ramp, or Simplex by selecting from the options and tap on the next button at the bottom after you are ready to buy your Bitcoin. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this web page over here. You'll need to type in your card details, type in your card number in the first text box, and select your expiry date. Type in your first name and then your last name, and finally type in your security code. If you'd like to save your card for future purchases, make sure to check this box over here where it says save card for my future purchases. Now next, tap on I have read and agreed to the terms and condition and privacy policy. If you'd like to receive occasional email offers, then make sure to leave this last box checked as well. Finally, click on the next button, and that is how you'll be able to add money on your Trust Wallet. Quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.